What is up, guys? Welcome back to 25 Days of Flutter. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at how to properly structure your Flutter application. So here I have my application, and you'll notice it is the same application that we built when we were looking at Flutter roots and Flutter pages. But the important part of this app is not the app itself, it's how we structured it. So inside of the lib folder, you'll notice that we have a components folder, a models folder, a screens folder, and main.dart. So I'm going to walk through what each one of these are and why I have it. So first off, main.dart. This, as you guys know, is the driver class of the Flutter application. So it's important to keep this file as light as possible, so not a lot of code. And as you can see, we have done just that. We have the simple my app. It is a stateless widget, which is what you want. And we are returning a simple material app. We have a title, we have some theme data, which you can even break this out into its own file, but this is fine for now. And then we just have our home screen, and we're pointing that to this class here. So where is this home screen? Well, that is in the screens folder. And I have two screens, home screen and second screen. So if we open up home screen, you'll notice that we have the home screen.dart and a folder called components. So inside of home screen.dart, so it is a stateless widget, and it just returns a scaffold, an app bar, and then the body. And here the body is just a simple column widget with some stuff inside of it. But you'll notice that we also have this homepage component and custom widget. And those are coming from this component folder. So here we have the homepage component, just a simple component, simple widget, but it's coming from an external file. And then this custom widget I have in its own components folder, and that is because the second page also uses this component. So that is over here. And it's just a custom widget that takes in an ID and a description and displays that in a row. So where is this data coming from? Well, that is coming from the models folder in a class called data.dart. So if you recall in the video where we actually built this application, we had the class for the data inside of main.dart. Now I have broken that out into a models folder and then a data class. So we have that data right here. We can call that by simply importing it. So that's the home screen. We have a similar scenario for second screen. Same type of thing. We have the main screen, and then we have a components folder with all of the components for the second page only. So that is the screens folder. We took a look at the models folder, and we took a look at the components folder. So that's it, guys. That is how you properly structure a Flutter application. And you can always go one step further. You can break your business logic from the UI logic, and that's fine. But for our purposes and for the next app that we're going to build, this is how we will be structuring our app. So that's it for this quick video. I just want to quickly go over the best practices for how to structure your application. And in the next video, we are going to take all the knowledge we got from the first 18 videos and start building an actual app. And as you can see, that will take up the remaining videos of this series. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.